Good morning children. I Mrs. S. Ojha. I am going to teach you computer. In previous class you had studied about animation, types of animation. In this class we will learn how to apply animation on an object, how to apply multiple animation, reorder animations, remove an animations, motion path, preview, etc. How to start PowerPoint? Click on Start button. Then Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. Click on this icon. PowerPoint window is going to appear. This is PowerPoint window. Here title bar presentation 1 is the default name of presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint is a software name. I have already created this slide like Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. My presentation name is Animation 1, that is shows on the top of the screen. Today I show practical to you apply animation, remove animation, reorder animation, preview animation, motion path, transition and action button. Apply animation. Children, you can apply a single animation effect to an object, or you can apply more than one effect to an object. Here a slide, MS PowerPoint 2007. I have applied 4 animation effect to this slide. And right side of the bottom I have inserted a picture of action button. This is star shape. I have given 5 animation effect to this shape. Motion path is also given to this star shape. Total number of slide 7 in this presentation. So if I have removed all the animation effect. So preview, if you want to show the preview, then go on the preview tab, then click on this, then preview will be shown like this. See whatever animation effect I have given. Then we want to discuss motion path. Just select the object, go on animation, then there is a circle shape motion path, add, then motion path, choose the circle, play. This is the circle motion path. Then next is reorder animation effect. Here I am giving to you slide transition. See, this is the slide transition effect checkerboard by the transition to this slide. You can give the sound also from this effect. So speed of transition can be fast, medium or slow. This is medium speed. Slide transition is different between two slides. Next is action button. Action button is used to link URL address or create hyperlink. So previous action button I selected, then I'm add a new action button from the drawing section. In the last of the drawing section there is a action button, drag and drop method. Select the hyperlink on mouse click and mouse over setting. Select them on mouse click hyperlink, then last slide and click on the OK. Then if you click F5, then this is the slideshow. If you click on this action button, you will go last slide. See, we are in the last slide. So end show. There is a 4 number of effects. If we want to remove these effects, select the effect and you can show a slide by pressing F5 key also. See, F5 key. This is the slideshow. You can use your scroll for moving one slide to another slide. In this time I am continue pressing moving keys to show all the slides preview. Checkerboard effect between the two slides. This is a slide transition effect. All the action is present here. This is the star moving the circular on the slide. In this picture is from the clip art, is also having some effects. These are some shapes. Which are going to be used. So today we have learned many things. If we want to change design theme, then we can go on the design tab. Okay student, thank you so much. It's your class and I hope you got understood. So I will attach with this class some PDF work. You have to do all the PDF work in your copy. Thank you so much.